With Donald Trump recently winning the presidential election, we're already seeing shifts in the financial landscape. Stocks in certain sectors, including Tesla and the broader energy and financial sectors, have surged. In this video, we'll dive into why these stocks are rising, what Trump's anticipated policies might mean for businesses and consumers, and what actions you might consider taking now to safeguard and grow your finances, whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or employee. Let's unpack what's happening and what could be coming in the years ahead. Stock market reactions and sector surges. Tesla Inc. (TSLA). Tesla's stock rose sharply, with a 13 to 14% increase immediately following Trump's election win. Investors are optimistic about potential support for U.S. technology and innovation, as well as Trump's relationship with business leaders like Elon Musk. Regulatory changes under Trump's administration might accelerate approvals for autonomous driving and AI, both crucial to Tesla's vision of robotaxis and other future technologies. Financial stocks, including major banks, saw significant gains as well. The Financial Select Sector SPDR ETF, for instance, rose by 5.8%. Investors expect that Trump's administration will continue efforts to roll back financial regulations, potentially benefiting big banks and financial service companies with reduced compliance costs and more flexibility in lending practices. Energy sector. Trump's promise to increase energy independence and his support for the fossil fuel industry has driven up oil and gas stocks. Companies in traditional energy sectors, such as ExxonMobil and Chevron, surged as investors anticipate relaxed environmental regulations, which may lower operating costs and allow increased domestic energy production. Analyzing Trump's campaign promises and expected economic policies. Tax cuts for individuals and corporations. Trump has pledged to cut taxes across the board. Lower corporate taxes could boost profitability for companies, especially those with high taxable incomes, allowing for increased investments in growth and expansion. For individuals, lower taxes may increase disposable income, which could positively impact consumer spending and boost demand for goods and services. Tariffs on imports. A centerpiece of Trump's campaign has been imposing tariffs on imports, particularly from China. While intended to protect American jobs and reduce dependence on foreign manufacturing, tariffs could raise prices on imported goods. This would impact the cost of living, as consumer goods from electronics to clothing might become more expensive. Incentives for U.S. manufacturing. Trump has consistently emphasized the need to bring manufacturing back to the U.S. This could lead to incentives for companies to produce goods domestically, benefiting sectors like automotive, electronics, and textiles. However, it could also mean higher production costs for businesses accustomed to low-cost overseas manufacturing. Deregulation across key industries. Trump has proposed reducing regulations in finance, healthcare, energy, and other sectors. Deregulation is expected to reduce costs for companies, encouraging expansion and potentially boosting job creation, but it may also reduce certain protections for consumers and the environment. How these policies could impact your wallet. Higher consumer prices. Tariffs on imported goods could mean price increases on everyday items, including electronics, clothing, and home goods. While this may benefit domestic manufacturers, consumers could feel the impact of these higher costs in their day-to-day expenses. Increased disposable income, potentially. With promised tax cuts, workers may see more money in their paychecks. However, it's important to weigh this benefit against potential inflationary pressures from rising prices on imports. For households, this could mean a mixed impact on their budgets. Potential job growth in key sectors. If Trump follows through on incentivizing domestic manufacturing and deregulation, industries like manufacturing, energy, and finance could see increased job opportunities. This could benefit individuals seeking employment or looking to shift careers into these expanding sectors. So, let's talk about some advice for entrepreneurs navigating this new landscape. First, evaluate your supply chains. If you rely on imports for your products or raw materials, it's crucial to consider the impact of potential tariffs and explore alternative suppliers. Domestic sourcing might become more attractive if tariffs significantly increase the cost of imports. Next, prepare for regulatory changes. With anticipated deregulation, especially in finance and energy, certain compliance costs may decrease. Entrepreneurs should stay updated on these changes, as they could free up resources for growth and development. Also, explore domestic manufacturing. With a focus on made in the USA, companies that manufacture domestically may receive favorable treatment or incentives. Assess whether transitioning part of your production to the US could be feasible and beneficial in the long run. And finally, consider investment in tech and automation. Given Trump's relationship with business leaders and his pro-innovation stance, now may be a good time to invest in technology and automation to stay competitive, especially if you operate in manufacturing, energy, or logistics. Advice for employees. Consider job opportunities in growth sectors. If you're considering a career move, keep an eye on industries likely to benefit from Trump's policies, such as manufacturing, energy, and finance. Upskilling in these areas could make you more marketable in the evolving job landscape. Adjust spending habits. With the possibility of rising consumer prices, especially for imported goods, consider adjusting your budget to manage these increases. Prioritize essential purchases and evaluate discretionary spending. Stay informed on healthcare policy changes. If you rely on employer-provided healthcare, keep an eye on potential changes to healthcare regulations. Alterations in healthcare policy may impact your benefits or out-of-pocket costs, so understanding these changes can help you plan. Investment advice. Look to energy and financial stocks. If Trump's policies favor traditional energy sectors, investing in oil and gas companies or financial institutions poised to benefit from deregulation may offer growth opportunities. However, diversification remains essential. Consider ETFs or funds that focus on these sectors to mitigate risk. Watch tech stocks like Tesla. With Tesla's stock surge and ongoing innovations in electric vehicles and automation, the tech sector may continue to thrive. Companies focused on automation and sustainable technology, aligned with both market trends and favorable policies, could represent strong investment opportunities. Consider inflation-proof investments. With potential price increases due to tariffs, inflation-protected investments like Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, or commodities like gold may offer stability. These options could provide some protection if inflation accelerates. Opportunities for future growth. Green energy investments. While Trump has supported traditional energy sources, the growing demand for renewable energy presents long-term investment opportunities. Diversifying into companies that support both traditional and renewable energy sources may be a strategic choice. Infrastructure and manufacturing. With possible investments in U.S. infrastructure, consider opportunities in construction, steel, and materials sectors that are critical for large-scale domestic projects. This could be a sector to watch if Trump prioritizes rebuilding U.S. infrastructure. Autonomous and AI technology companies in the AI and autonomous tech space like Tesla may continue to benefit from favorable policies. Investors can look at sectors that support autonomous technology, including robotics, AI, and data management. Donald Trump's recent election victory signals potential shifts across the economy, impacting everything from stock market trends to consumer prices and job opportunities. Whether you're an entrepreneur, employee, or investor, staying informed and adaptable will be essential in navigating these changes. By carefully assessing your personal financial strategy and considering opportunities in sectors poised for growth, you can turn potential challenges into advantages. As we look ahead, remember that flexibility and awareness are key. Stay tuned to policy changes and consider how each development could impact your goals and financial well-being.